to understand. Okay, fantastic. Now, it is important for people to understand when they build. Okay, so there are two ways of how we can build. The one way is where we go out and we just, it is called attraction marketing. So it is where you attract people to come to you. If you want to do that, you must be comfortable in doing videos, going onto social media, and putting yourself out there. If you are comfortable with doing that, then attraction marketing is one way how you can go. You can attract people by putting out some of the marketing material that I created today, or you can just go and do your own, where you can attract people to what you are doing. And one of the biggest things at the moment is the movement of building multiple streams of income. It is something that you can go. Not many people are aware of it. So you can go and you can teach it now. You can say, are you building multiple streams of income? Just pop a tell me more in my comments and then let me show you how. Let me show you the importance. Let me show you what I am doing to build multiple streams of income. And then that's it. Then you just put it out there. You wait for people to comment and then you approach those people slowly but surely. All these different techniques and methods is how you can put yourself out there on network marketing or on social media to get people to buy into you. Remember, you need to sell yourself. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Don't think you're going to put out a video today and you're going to get a lot of hits or a lot of it, and it's your first one, maybe your second, third one. But as you start putting them out and as people start seeing you must have value add, as people start seeing the value that they can gain from you, then then they'll start looking more into what you do. Okay, then the second method is just approaching people one on one. Just sending out a, hey, John, I was thinking of you. I know how important it is lately to build multiple streams of income. Is this something that would resonate with you? Would you be interested in looking into it? Or are you open? Are you open to learning more about building multiple streams of income? Hey Susan, are you open to looking at creating a basket with income generating products that you can use to build a multiple stream of income? Because that is the buzzword today in the entrepreneurial space, and I'd love to show you more. Are you open to it? Yes or no? These are the type of techniques that you have to learn. If you are not comfortable with it, then you're going to struggle. You're going to struggle to build your network. You're going to have to overcome that fear one way or another. And maybe if you're interested, I can maybe run a class or I can maybe sit with you where I can coach you and I can say, okay, give me your list of names. Give me your technique or your tactic or what do you feel the most comfortable with out of these two methods? Let's see how we can do it. If you're interested in me helping you with that, then by all means, please just pop me a message. Send me a WhatsApp. We're all in the WhatsApp groups. If you're not in the WhatsApp group or in any of our support groups or whatever, our information channels, then also reach out to me so that I can get you connected so that you can get all the information you need to. Okay, that said, let's move on. Once someone is interested and they see that you've got a one for me page and they now want one, because that can be a value add that you can help people with, not just to look professional online, but also to add a product to their basket that is an income generating product. Are the products that you use and consume income generating? That is another question you can put out there. Are the products you are using income generating products? Can they build an income stream for you? Let me show you how. Like if you only have one product and you're struggling to find another one to build a multiple stream of income, I've got one for you. I love that play on words. I've got one that you can look at. I've got one. How about you? Any case, let's log in. So on all the business pages, all of them, right at the bottom, there is a link that says join one for me now. When they join there, they get on, they click on the get started, they put in the username, they go through the system, they then put in a username to qualify for the 75% discount, and then there we go. They pay 150 Rand once off, and they're in. 150 Rand, that's it. You make 60 Rand as a non-pro, 80 Rand as a pro. As easy as that. Okay, once they've logged in, they go into the back office. Once they're in the back office, what I suggest is you just help them quickly. Hey, just go and select the profile picture. Just go and put in a profile picture quickly, just so that you can personalize your page. That's the first thing I make the people do. Just go put in a profile picture. There are a couple of ways. You know, if you're on the home page, they can click on this little icon here. Poof, and it takes them to a section where they can put in their profile picture. Okay, just quickly put in a profile picture. If you want to put in a bio, if you want to select some colors. Once you've done that, okay, you can always preview your page right there with that preview button. Okay, once you've got that, click on menu, click on my network marketing companies. Go and search for your network marketing company, whether it be Tupperware or whatever. If you click on it, it'll add it to the list. With Tupperware, if you look at the bottom there, you'll see the load template page is grayed out. It's grayed out for one of two reasons. The first reason is settings is empty. You need to put in your referral URL. Once they've put in the referral URL, if it's still grayed out, it means we don't have a template page for that company just yet. Get in touch with me. Tell me, hey Neil, we are starting to see an interest with company XYZ. Can we start implementing a template for that company? Okay? Awesome. The next one that I'm looking at, what is the next one that I'm looking at is oh, I can't remember now. Can't remember off the top of my head. Yes, I work with so many. But in any case, um, but I showed you earlier which ones we do have. And once you have a template page for it, all you do is you say load template page. You click on that button. Once you've clicked on that button, there are two options. The one option is to append. Append means whatever I've got on my page at the moment, whatever it's going to add it to the bottom of that. That is to append. When you are building your page for the first time, you don't want to append. You want to replace it. You want to start new. You want to start fresh. Then you say continue. Then what it will do is it'll replace everything that you have with the new template. So now if I go to my one for me page, I refresh it, there we go. You've got a Bitcoin Wise template page. And there we go. Okay, so Bitcoin Wise is our latest template page that we have on the system. It is beautiful. You know, as you go and it creates all of these buttons for you. It adds that picture. It adds all of these things, buttons. The only thing it doesn't add is your profile picture, your bio, your color, and then also your social media buttons. Those four things you need to add before the time or separately. Okay. So with Bitcoin Wise, if you want to go into settings, add your reference number to the end of the URL below and then press save settings. So that is important that you add your number, whatever it is, save settings, go back, go to Bitcoin Wise, load, replace, continue, and then it will add all your buttons and it will use your information, your referral link, your user code or whatever to create these buttons. Just all with one click. Now we've got Bitcoin Wise. We can get someone, you can enter, you can go into that industry, you can go into those people. If you know anybody with Bitcoin Wise, you can tell them, listen, yeah, it's important to start building a portfolio of products that are income generating. I can show you a tool that I'm using that is an income generating tool that you can use with Bitcoin Wise. And now you don't just have Bitcoin Wise to create an income, but you've got one for me that is added to that. And for a once off 150 Rand, and you can start generating an income with that by referring it with your Bitcoin Wise to other people. You will have your Bitcoin Wise page set up. People will see it. They're going to say, hey, that is awesome. I also want one. I can help you. Just at the bottom of our page, go click on join one for me, and there we go. Bob's your uncle. You can now register your Bitcoin one page with one for me. And you can be presentable and professional online. If people ask you, please send me more information, what do you send them? Your one for me page. You send them that. So you see, it's not just a tool, it's not just an awesome product, but it is an income generating asset that you are adding to your portfolio. Isn't that cool? That is the mindset that we need to start entering, that we need to start getting into. We need to start getting into that mindset where we need to make as much money as we can, but not by working harder, but working smarter. Do we understand? Do we get that? Okay, everybody, thank you very much. I think, oh, I raised my hand. Let me lower my hand. I hope that what I have shared with you can help you a little bit. It can give you a little bit of direction with regards to how you are going to build your business, how you are going to build your network. Okay? I hope that, some of the ideas that I'm giving you are things that you will be able to use and not just, but be proactive, be aspris. Take your business and treat it like a business. Put down your business plan. Put down what do you want to achieve? Do you want to make next week, Tuesday, do you want 240 Rand paid in your account? There are two ways of doing that with one for me. The one is go and register 4 people this week. You will get 240 Rand. The other way is go pro, because then you get 80 Rand per user. Instead of 60 Rand, 6, 12, 18, 24, you only need to get 3, 8, 16, 24. Then you've got 240 Rand. Register as a pro, pay the 240, go get 3 people, register them. You've got your money back. And then everything you make for the rest of the month is just pure profit. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your time. It was good being with you tonight.